Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's all by Donna. And today is the day after the 4th of July. We had such a wonderful day yesterday. I don't even know how to explain how I felt.
It's a celebration. Come on. Celebrate good times. Come on. Let's celebrate. Come on. Celebrate good times. Come on. Let's celebrate. There's a party going on right here. A celebration to last throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gonna.
But I will tell you this, I wanted to thank each and every one of the 6 wonderful, wonderful artists that I painted with yesterday. I may not have painted physically with you, but I felt like I was sitting right next to you, painting right next to you, and I thank you all from the bottom of my heart for allowing me to be part of that wonderful experience. It really, it was totally amazing for me. I don't want to mention all your names, but I am going to put you all down below again. I know this is all over and done with, but I'm going to put you down below one more time. I'm going to list all those premieres because they really were awesome and amazing. Each and every one of you. I said that word, amazing. And I said I was taking it out of my vocabulary. So let's forget about that and let me go on. I have all these paints that I mixed up for that collaboration and I need to use them. Mainly I need to use this red because I mixed it thinking I was going to use it in my pour, and then all I did was paint a little starfish with it. I never used it in my pour at all. Have to use a lot of that. And all my blues, I said it yesterday, I'll say it again, they're all specialty colors. All the blues that I had. This was the deepest. It had a lot of extreme sheen sapphire in it. This was a Matisse Southern Ocean Blue. I didn't use too much of that, but I did use a good amount. And that was a plain, probably Southern Ocean Blue. This was Australian Gum Blue, but I also added Aquamarine Extreme Sheen in here. I had, I mixed so many specialty colors together. It really was, it was extraordinary. It really was. Here's my gold, but it's not just plain gold. It's Extreme Sheen, Deco Art Soft Gold. I had Deco Art Media Gold. I have golden quinacridone nickel azo gold in here. Beautiful, beautiful colors. So I'm just going to start putting these colors down. And most of these were mixed 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, a good amount of Liquitex gloss medium, and a little bit of GAC 800. Very little water, if any. Some of them I didn't use any, and depending on what was in there. Some of these specialty paints have color shift, folk art color shift in them. And some of them have regular paints in them also. But everything is listed down below in the description. So, without further ado, I am trying to decide what to do here today. Oh, and there is some satin enamels in my white. I do have satin enamel, Deco Art satin enamel in my white, which is, it's Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. And if I do use any black, it's also Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black. And that also has a bit of black satin enamel in it. So let's see what we're going to do here. Do we want to fill a cup? Do we want to do 2 or 3 ring pours? Maybe we'll do that. That could be something different here today. 2 ring pours. 2 ring pours. How about that? 3 ring pours. 1 there, 1 here. Small one in the middle. Can we do that? We can do whatever we want. Okay. Happy with the outcome here. I got the colors in the corner the way I wanted them. I love the red. Came out really vibrant here. I got nice lines over here. I got my amethyst. Everything looks so beautiful. I got nice little cells. I didn't want those big chunky ones. I wanted nice little ones, which is exactly what I got here. I'm very happy with this, and I think in actuality, it can go either way. You can put it this way or you can put it that way. We'll see it when I on the finished piece, but I like it. So please let me know in the comments below. I have a lot of new subscribers here. Thank you for taking a chance on me, and to my old faithfuls, thank you for believing in me. I want to thank everyone for being here today. So this is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. If you remember, please give me a thumbs up if you like what you see here. And I'll be back tomorrow. It's a Pourade day. Thank you for coming, and please be safe out there. Bye-bye now.